MAGGI GT 800 is the CNC boring machine, quick and easy to use. With the GT 800, you can build a cabinet in less time than using a regular boring machine. You can control and program the machine using a simple touchscreen, just like your smartphone. Programming is easy thanks to icons and pictures. And it's also parametric, since the program will adapt itself to any change in the dimensions of the workpiece. With a few taps, you can repeat your program on any side. The GT 800 is a compact machine, perfect for your carpentry. And you can also create your programs easily from your office. MAGGI technology is by your side for your needs. MAGGI GT 800. Simple as a smartphone.